You've been driving by these massive buildings for 20 years, but do you have any idea what's inside or what they even do here? Well, we're going to show you. Today we're checking out the World Market Center. With an almost 60-acre campus and over 5 million square feet of showroom space across 3 buildings and an expo hall, this is the West's largest offering of furniture, gift, and decor. You're going to hear that term gift a lot in the next couple of minutes, but what does that even mean? Quite literally, everything.
Anything that you can think of. It's a mug, or it's a kid's toy, or it's a lip balm.
Twice a year in January and July, the World Market Center hosts the Las Vegas Market, a trade show where retailers big and small can come out and shop for new inventory for their stores for the year. When it comes to furniture, this is the place where you see it first.
It's just a great chance for them to come and see what new trends that they would like to stock in their stores, and we see those trends here first.
This is the pinnacle of interior design. The Las Vegas Market is like the CES of furniture. The market presents over 3,500 brands across indoor and outdoor furniture, home decor, bedding, and gift categories. It attracts buyers from all 50 states and more than 80 countries. This is an opportunity for retailers to see what's new and what's trending in the worlds of home and gift. Anyone who's anyone in the industry attends these markets, including stores you may shop at on a regular basis like Target and Wayfair. On the local level, not only does the World Market Center supply retail stores, they also partner with hotel casinos right here in Las Vegas. They supply their gift shops and furnish the resorts from head to toe with everything from their furniture to the lighting to the decor. And when I say there is everything here at the market, I really mean there is everything and anything you can dream up to put in a home, business, or office space. There we are right there on this rug mat. I never thought I would want a bust in my house, but this is making me want one. One of these 3 massive buildings is literally just for beds, from the frames to the mattresses to everything you put on top and everything in between. In the other buildings, floor after floor, there is showroom after showroom after showroom, all unique from one another. Each of these showrooms are permanent year-round fixtures. The retailers in the expo convention space, though, are temporary just for the market.
So it's stuff from gift to handmade to home, and it's just a nice, this is the perfect place to find those new brands that you've not yet heard of, but you definitely want in your store.
There are about 450 exhibitors in the expo at the Las Vegas Market. While these trade shows are industry only, there are other opportunities for the public to come out and experience for themselves what is in these buildings. One of those is by visiting the Las Vegas Design Center. Open Monday through Friday in Building A, this is a year-round resource for both design trade professionals and consumers alike, featuring about 30 showrooms and hundreds of designer brands.
It is appointment-based. What we love to do is have folks just come in here and tell us more about what they're in the market for.
The Design Center will then pair you up with one of their designers that will work with you to help make your vision, big or small, a reality.
It's so great to just kind of be able to build your whole home in one place here and then go from there.
Another opportunity for the public to visit the World Market Center is by attending their sample sale events that happen in May and November every year. The public can come in and shop deep discounts from dozens of their permanent showrooms. But one thing to keep in mind here is that these events are cash only and you do have to get the items out and home yourself. This is an opportunity to not only maybe pick something unique up for your home or business, but it's also a chance to learn more for yourself about the design industry. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Looking for something to do after you visit the World Market Center? Check out these businesses just steps away in downtown Las Vegas. And make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our content. You know what to do the next time you're in Vegas. Oh, mocha mousse.